Hello students, now we will start with new topic about case study of integrated wastewater treatment. What is meant by case study? Here, case study in the sense in-depth study. Next, integrated in the sense it is a mixture of few methods. In the sense here it comes mixing of artificial and natural process to treat the wastewater and removal of the solid waste from that. So integrated here in the sense mixing of artificial and natural process. Of wastewater treatment, so that the solid waste or the chemicals that are present in the wastewater are being removed, so that the normal water which is means in usable form will be available. So here we have an example that is first done by one area people. So there was an area called Arcata which is located north coast of California. So people of Arcata took initiation for wastewater removal or wastewater treatment. Now, where is this Arcata located? It is located in the north coast of California. These people, they approach the biologists of Humboldt State University. This university is located in Arcata region only. Now, the people or the biologists from this university suggested two different processes, that is artificial and natural processes. So what are the sub names that comes under these artificial and natural processes? So biologists suggested physical, biological, chemical and sludge removal processes. So under natural process, we can include sludge removal process. So these three can be explained under natural methods. This chemical means using of chlorine etc. type of chemicals. It will be studied under artificial processes. So biologists have suggested this method for removal or for wastewater treatment. So first we will see about natural processes. Natural process, it included first screening or filtration, next is sedimentation and next is skimming or mixing methods. So it included first screening or filtration, which next continued with sedimentation, which next continued with skimming method. Means nothing but water was agitated there. Next, after the screening, sedimentation of water or filtration of water and skimming process, it was continued for biological method of removal of highly dangerous pollutants. Next, water was allowed for biological process. So here in the biological process, it helped in removal of highly dangerous pollutants. You can write chemical pollutants. For this process, means for the biological process, algae was added and allowed to grow on the surface of water. Some types of aquatic plants are also allowed to grow in the water because water was made into some chambers like algae plus aquatic plants are grown in that water chambers. In biological process, water was allowed to pass through marshy areas. In these marshy areas only, some of the plants, algae and fungi are allowed to grow. So here algae, fungi and few types of plants are allowed to grow. So after biological process, where there is very negligible amount of means very toxic type of pollutants. So by this process, most of the toxic substances are neutralized. After crossing marshy areas, water is allowed for chlorination. So in the chlorination, most of the water is purified. Next, after chlorination, water is allowed for sedimentation and is considered as usable forms. So when this sedimentation happened, then at the bottom the sludge will be sedimented. So here the obtained sludge is removed or discarded. This we consider as natural purification. Now, Near to these marshy areas, there are some sanctuaries. Near or around these marshy areas, there is a sanctuary. In that sanctuary, what are present? There are different biodiversity of fishes. This sanctuary has different or has many number of biodiversity of fishes. Now, the people who are allowed in this total wastewater treatment in Arcata region are called as Friends of Arcata Marsh. People and biologists who are involved in this wastewater treatment project are called as Friends of Arcata Marsh. In short way, they are considered as FOAM. FOAM.